Oh wait, first floor of the Grand Tree. Where am I going? Wait, what? Oh, the Grand Tree. Oh yeah, Heckle. The drink guy, I think. How did I see previous league ranks? Yeah. Neil Burberry. They're gonna try to get this trim charge glory finally. Build a run POH to make the accomplishment scroll? Oh, fuck that. Surely there's gotta be another way. I don't know why they disabled the trophies. East Priff. Yeah. Because last league, your shadow people found glitch and were allocating them for free mills. They're worth that much. Wow. Just keep reclaiming Alkin for like 100k. Dang, that's. It's like the same fucking shit that gets shuffled over and over again. Um. Uh, what was the other thing I was gonna look up? It was called. It's like the same fucking shit that gets shuffled over and over again. Um. Uh. What was the other thing I was gonna look up? It was called. It's like the same fucking shit that gets shuffled over and over again. Uh, what was the other thing I was gonna look up? It was called. It's like the same fucking shit that gets shuffled over and over again. Um, uh, what was the other thing I was gonna look up? It was called. Okay. It's just free GP. I mean, just don't make it alchable or something. That should be easy to code. Is it anymore? But I guess they want to be safe. Yeah, I guess. Wow, 4 steps and it's defense. It's so annoying. Whatever. Well, chat, that's gonna be it for me today. I will see you guys on Sunday for some more fun day. Sound good? Sunday? And then we'll just do Kriara. And then after Kriara, maybe some hard tobs. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Be safe. Make good choices. Cringe game, yeah. Raid incoming? Oh, Raid Rice? Yeah. That's I was like, I don't want to get raided right now. Raid of the weekend? Thank you, man. Thank you. He's gonna be like, what? Bye. Just drop it the step stacked. Oh, this is what it is, I guess. Video. Oh, I see. Right. Check this out. Ad blockers violate YouTube terms of service. What the fuck? Oh, YouTube got updated with fucking ad blocker. That's dumb. That's fucking dumb. Hey, let's see what we can do about maybe on Chrome.